In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add emotion in Elevenlabs. By the end, you'll create and download an expressive AI voice by adjusting stability, style exaggeration, and simple text punctuation inside the Elevenlabs text-to-speech editor. First, log in at elevenlabs.io. Open your browser, go to the website, and click Login. Enter your credentials and wait for the dashboard to load. You should see the main navigation once you're signed in. Next, go to Text-to-Speech. Click Text-to-Speech in the sidebar to open the editor where you can type or paste your script and control the voice settings. Now choose a voice that matches your desired emotion. Use the voice drop-down or list to select a voice that fits the tone you want: calm, warm, intense, or dramatic. This choice sets the base character of the narration. So pick the voice that's closest to your target mood before changing any settings. Lower stability to around 30 to 50% for more natural variation. Find the stability slider and drag it down into that range. Stability controls how consistent the voice sounds from word to word. Lower values add more pitch and rhythm movement, which helps the voice feel more emotional. If you set it too low, it can sound unpredictable, so start around 40% and fine-tune as needed. Increase style or style exaggeration for stronger expression. Locate the style or style exaggeration control for the selected voice and move it upward. This emphasizes the emotional cues in the delivery, things like emphasis, pacing, and intensity. Raise it gradually. A moderate increase usually adds life without sounding overdone. If it becomes too theatrical, pull it back slightly until the tone feels natural. Add punctuation and short sentences in your script. Type or paste your text in the editor, then refine it to guide the performance. Use commas to add small pauses, exclamation marks for excitement, and ellipses for a thoughtful or dramatic pause. Break long lines into shorter sentences so the voice can lift and fall more clearly. For example, instead of one long sentence, split it into 2 or 3 concise lines. That structure gives Elevenlabs clearer cues and results in a more emotional read without sounding forced. Click Generate to create your emotional AI voice. Watch the progress indicator as Elevenlabs renders the audio. When it finishes, play it back in the editor. If the delivery is too flat, lower stability a bit more or raise style exaggeration slightly. If it sounds too chaotic or overacted, nudge stability up or style exaggeration down. Small adjustments go a long way, so change one setting at a time and generate again until the tone fits your goal. Download your audio file. Click the Download button next to the generated clip and save it to your computer. Choose a clear file name so you can find it later. Once it finishes saving, your emotional voiceover is ready to use in your project. At this point, you've successfully added emotion in Elevenlabs. You logged in, opened text-to-speech, chose a fitting voice, tuned stability and style exaggeration, shaped the script with punctuation and shorter sentences, generated the result, and downloaded the final audio. Everything is set and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.